Let's try the quiz. Wonders of the world. The speed of the water going over Niagara Falls can reach up to. The answer is B. 109 kilometers per hour. What large island in the Mediterranean Sea looks like it's getting kicked by the country known as the boat? The answer is A. Sicily. It's located just off the toe of Italy, which is often called the boot due to its shape. If you imagine Italy as a boot, Sicily is the island that looks like it's being kicked by the toe. Which city is not in the land down under? The answer is C. Glasgow. The term land down under is a popular nickname for Australia. It comes from the fact that Australia is located in the southern hemisphere of the Earth, meaning it's down on most world maps, which are oriented with the northern hemisphere at the top. Which sea creature makes pearls? The answer is A. Oyster. What natural spectacle often happens during a volcanic eruption? The answer is B. Lightning. What formed the Grand Canyon? The answer is A. River. Which sea creature left behind the seashell? The answer is C. Whelk. On average, the protective gear that a firefighter wears weighs. The answer is C. 34 kilograms. About how many light bulbs are here on the 1063-foot Eiffel Tower? The answer is A. 20,000 bulbs. Which food grows underground? The answer is D. All of the above. What is the most commonly broken bone? The answer is C. Collarbone. It's a bone that connects the arm to the body and is quite vulnerable to fractures, especially from falls, sports injuries, or accidents. Since it's positioned near the surface of the body, it's easier to break compared to other bones. What are the two symbols that make up Morse code? The answer is A. Dots and dashes. Which type of tree helps protect the Everglades from rising sea levels? The answer is A. Mangrove. Which organ controls the balance of water in your body? The answer is B. Kidney. They are responsible for regulating the amount of water, salt, and waste in your bloodstream. The kidneys filter blood and adjust the amount of water reabsorbed into the body based on the body's hydration levels. An IQ test measures how smart you are. What does IQ stand for? The answer is A. Intelligence quotient.